Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Friday. I hope everyone is doing great. Yesterday we had some economic news, and in the group, actually, we did smash that. But the move was not really that crazy. But things were very nice. The only thing that I see here that did not change is core CPI month to month or month over month. CPI month over month also did not really change that much. The one that changed is actually CPI year over year, which is not really that important. Maybe that's why we did not see any bigger move. The most important one is actually core CPI, which is this one. And we see that the market actually, sorry, not the market, the inflation did not really change much. It's just the same as last month. So which means inflation is still greedy. Inflation is not really trying to push lower. Maybe next month we will see something. So, but yes, we got a smaller move, but later on, yes, as the market did go down again and aggressively. You see, so today, around 2:30, remember, we're not going to go live, guys. So, hey, I need to trade. I need to eat. We need to eat. So, if you want to join the team, you can just WhatsApp me. So, today, 2:30, we're going to have core PPI. This might move maybe gold, not NASDAQ or US30. It's not really on other calendars. This is not actually high impact. It's actually medium impact news. I hope you understand that. So, besides wasting your time, what's really happening? I will just start with Euro USD. From back there, you can see that we had a very nice uptrend. So, where we are now, we are on a very nice structure. The market is still continuing pushing up. I tried to adjust my my support area because it was cutting around this area. So actually the market is trying to consolidate around this level. Do you see that? And above that, remember on top here we had a nice diagonal structure, a resistance actually, which the market broke out yesterday, and we made something from that. So now, since we have this resistance, it means we have to wait for the market to break out of that so that we can go up freely. So on the bottom side here, obviously we have also a support, a diagonal support, but we're going to consider this diagonal support currently as it makes sense. So if the market breaks that, we will look for a very nice sell. So as we are not in a hurry, guys, it's much better to follow your trading plan. This week things might be bad, but it doesn't mean that next week is going to be the same. I hope you get that. So now here I'm just waiting for the market to push a little bit up before maybe we look for it. By today we don't really have much of economic news, so I don't really expect some crazy moves. So now we are on gold. Gold is giving us some crazy moves, guys. It's seriously giving us some crazy moves. But on a bigger time frame, you can see that actually the market is still actually respecting our uptrend. Sorry, it's still, let me check. I don't think it's still respecting. I don't think it's still respecting. Okay, let's see. So we had a very nice uptrend. You can see it's not really respecting anything there. The market just pushed lower. So you can see that yes, we were actually on a very nice uptrend. As I used to show you, you will see that. But guess what? Actually, the market just broke out. But just because the market is just consolidating, the market is just pushing up and down. But I'm expecting the market to actually still push lower. And I think since CPI is still playing games, still not going down, or inflation, I think they're still going to increase the rates, guys. Let's remind me on that if maybe they want to increase the rates. I think they're going to increase the rates. So here, you can see that from the top there, the market has been actually trying to show us that I'm going down. But since we had a support area, the market tried to respect that. The market tried to respect that until we see this breakout here. The market broke out. So now I'm just expecting to see the market pushing below that, I will be ready to send that pending order. Yes, yesterday we did make something on the CPI. Remember, we don't really miss on CPI news, guys. I don't actually miss on CPI. So I smashed that, and then after the market started to push lower. So it seems to me that the market was just trying to do what? The market was trying to actually retest around this area. You can see it's where the market broke out. So the market pushed there, and now it's coming back. So for me to be like 100% careful, sorry, to be safe, I will say, since the market created something here, you can see, let me zoom that. It's a resistance. Actually, it's double resistant. We have a sort of not resistance, support. The market created something here and also here. So I'll just draw this support here. So for me to continue selling, as the market is now showing me that I'm no longer on that uptrend, so it means now the market wants to do what? It wants to keep pushing lower. I'll wait for the market to break this support, then I will be ready with my sell pending order around that area, because the market just broke out of that support area. Do you see that? I hope you see that. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, guys. So yeah, you can easily see that the market has been giving us some headache, some serious headache. Actually, this month, now today is 11th. Hey, it was difficult this month. There is no a day that maybe I did not take. I took some profits maybe early, later on I lost. Profits early, later on I lost. And I'm following the rules, guys. I'm following the rules. The market is just moving in a way that maybe, so once I take profit, I'm no longer going to trade later on, you see. So what's really happening on US30? We can easily see that yes, the market is still pushing to the upside, but where we are now, it seems like the market wants to do what? Wants to reverse and reach this support before maybe pushing to the upside. That's what I see currently. So let's see what's really happening. So there is a chance that the market can even reach that area, but even though we see that the market is going down, just look at those candlesticks. That is bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. So it's way too easy to lose. Guess what? Let me tell you. Yesterday, I'm telling you about yesterday, we were in a very nice profit. We bought around this area. Remember, this is 4 hours time frame. We were in a very nice profit. Later on, boom, the market is now going down. So this is something else, guys. The market is doing something else. So, but we're expecting the market to go back to its normal move. So maybe around there is a sort of a support, I guess. I see the candlesticks. This one bounced back here. This one also. It seems like we have something there. But we'll wait and see. We will wait and see if maybe the market will be breaking this resist. And guess what? On 1 hour, this was already broken. I can show you that. It was already closed above that. So it's not like maybe we just jumped unnecessarily. You can see the market closed very nice up there, and we were already in a profit already. Okay, hey, the market changed, man. The market changed on us, and I thought maybe yesterday was going to be our day of recovery, but yeah, it was not really that way. So, guys, you don't really have to shy away from the losses as long as you understand what you're doing. And if you understand what you are doing, obviously you want to actually over risk. You can lose the whole week without blowing the account. I hope you understand, right? So let's push to the next one, which is NASDAQ. NASDAQ 100. Whoa, some crazy moves also here. So we did smash NASDAQ yesterday, especially during the news. Then later on, the market tried to push to the upside, but guess what? The market later on reversed. So on a bigger time frame here, or if I try to zoom out here, you can easily see that we have a very nice support area below. And since the market was aggressively pushing to the upside, we also had a counter support, which the market broke out. You see? So let's go closer there and try to see what I'm talking about. So you can see that we had, we can draw double lines. We can do that. Then our support was broken. Our support was broken. This was a counter trend line. So you can see that we had a very nice support. It was broken. Now the market is pushing lower. But where we are actually, it's actually very closer to, I can say it's exactly there on the support, the outer support. So there is a room for the market to start pushing to the upside, or maybe we might see a breakout. But it seems like I believe actually that the market will be trying to do it, to push the upside from here. You can see that we have an area here of a support, so the market might actually do that. But for you to be safe, don't just jump on the market, guys. For you to be safe, there is a diagonal structure. We can remove this one also. The market broke out of that. It's no longer really matter, but the bigger picture is we are still on that downtrend, right? Sorry, on an uptrend. I see something like this. You can see that. So you can maybe cut some few candlesticks, maybe that week, only this week here. We can do that and say, you see what? Maybe for us to be safe, you can see even on the bottom side, you can have something like that, something like this. You can see that. So what we can have here is, or what we can do is, we are on a wedge structure. So for us to say, this gives us a very nice idea to say, for us to say maybe we need to buy like now. Let's wait for the market to break this resistance, because we can see from back there, the market was respecting that structure. So maybe that might be a clue that the market might even break this support and start to push the lower side. You see, do you understand that? So if it breaks this support area, obviously we're going to start to say, okay, the market is ready to do it, to go to the lower side, or to actually push the lower side. And that is possible because the market has been seriously pushing up. But I also think that, you know what, even though maybe the market has been pushing up, but this, you can see this actually, this reversal, I think it's enough. Maybe, especially when we reach this support, we can actually now push to the upside. That's what I think. I think if we break this resistance, I will be ready to send that signal and say, guys, it's time to eat. That will be a very nice thing. But now, I believe that the market will just consolidate. This is a wedge structure. You can see that. The market is creating a wedge triangle structure anyway. You can see that. So this might be something else. The market might just play around here until we see a breakout. I don't know whether the market will break this this resistance or the support. But the best thing, if you don't know, is to do what? Is to wait for the market to reach that certain zone or certain level before you do your own thing. Remember, you can still join my team this month only, actually, for $21. So WhatsApp me or Telegram me, and you know what, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. See you on Sunday. Bye.